How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a fabulous weekend. The sun is shining. And as usual, I'm excited because I'm bringing you another new listing that's coming out next week. But I want everyone to get a sneak peek on this one because this is really, for the price range under 300, this is going to hit a lot of people's points. So let's give you a quick sneak peek of it. We're at 128 Admiral. It's going to be $279,900. We got 3 bedrooms. We got a finished basement with a fireplace. And also, we got updated roof, windows, siding. There is a detached double-car garage. Also, there's an on-ground pool as well. And this is just in the Northgate area if you're wondering where Admiral is, if you want to look up. So let's take a look here. So here's the front of the house. Here's the living room when you walk in. Nice floors right throughout. And let's take a quick look at the outside of it. Beautiful curb appeal here. You can see a nice big staircase. Stand pad here. And there we go. We got the front of the house here. So you can see the siding's been done. The brick's been updated. You got updated windows. Say hi, Ben.
Hello, everybody.
Ben's here to do pictures and video on the property so we can launch it next week. You know, funny thing is, actually, our team is the only one that has a full-time videographer and photographer on staff, so it just enables us to do more for these listings. So there we go. You can see another new window there as well. And then we'll go look around the side. So yeah, $279,900 next week. Open house next weekend as well. 3 bedrooms. Finished basement, gas fireplace, updated kitchen. Great place. You can see there's a detached double car garage as well. Full disclosure, the garage needs a bit of work, but it's a great base for somebody to get started that wants to clean it up. Fully fenced yard. So you got a nice little patio area there. And also the pool. So yeah, look for this next week. It's going to be $279,900. Like I said, you got 3 bedrooms. Oh, there's a 4th in the basement. There's actually a bathroom roughed in the basement too. That's, you know, ready to go for you just to finish. I keep thinking of new things because there's just so many great things with this house. So everybody have a great week. Enjoy the sunshine, and remember, put Sean on your lawn.